Ask anyone on the street what the most exciting trend in technology recently is, and many would tell you it's AI or Metaverse. In our previous video, we touched upon the design principles regarding the stimulative alternative universe. While the technology has received unrivaled attention from investors and firms, Google researcher Laurence Brothers indicate that you might need to cool your boost before being carried away by this Metaverse mania. First and foremost, Brothers hold that the technology behind Metaverse is simply not ready, and it will not be for at least another 3 to 5 years. Even Meta itself has not quite figured out how to increase the pixel density on VR goggles and how to avoid nausea, dizziness to excessive 3D image viewing. Hardware makers would still need to find a balance between graphic performance constraints and the size of the chipsets. Second, serious privacy, security, and regulatory risk will arise. According to Brothers, unregulated cryptocurrency, NFT transactions, and phishing are still of concern in the metaverse. Also, since we are living in our alternative lives in virtual world, whoever has access to our data will become a virtual god, leading to further privacy-related threats and issues. Last but not the least, the metaverse industry might embrace standardization very soon. Currently, each company's vision of metaverse is not compatible with another. Industry leaders and association would need to figure out a series of standardization issues, including hardware, software, digital currency clearance, and many other things. Interoperability rules and protocols will need to be established so that all those gold coins you made in the OSS can be spent as well in the Mark Zuckerberg's virtual playground. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.